why we choose DDT and human health is because that we want to study why DDT is so popular before that it is widely used internationally. And to study the bad influence of DDT that was banned in the 1970s. And that DDT consists lots of fields, which means that we think DDT involves chemistry, biology, and environmental science. And all of our groupmates is come from chemistry and biology and environmental science. So I think this topic is the most related topic. And what is DDT? DDT is called, the full name of DDT is trichloroethylene. It is the first widely used synthetic pesticide that it will have a great effect on to prevent malaria and AIDS. But the exposure to DDT will have a bad effect because it is extremely persistent in the environment and our body, and it is very difficult to degrade. And it will cause many diseases, for example, cancer. So it was banned in 1970s. Okay, let's talk about my article. The article is based on many medical study on pesticide exposure. And what is epidemiological study? This is a statistical study and which attempts to link human health events and disease to a specific cause. And the summary of my article. And the writer suggests that DDT people have a higher tendency to suffer from cancer. For example, liver cancer, brain cancer, and prostate cancer. And it will lead breast cancer also, because the breast cancer, the association between DDT and breast cancer is the most investigated issue. And many journal articles suggest that it will have a positive linkage between DDT and breast cancer. And for the last, this is lower the bone mineral density, and the writer is not sure about that because there is only 2 small studies on this, and it do not have enough evidence on this, but it cannot reject this possibility because there is no enough evidence to reject this hypothesis. Okay, for the conclusion, and DDT may potentially be associated with a number of diseases because the writers conduct many epidemiological studies, but he thinks that more rigorous approach is needed because that he thought that the epidemiological study is not convincing enough, and so he thinks more rigorous approach is needed in order to have a better understanding of the linkage between DDT and human health. So it's all my presentation. Thank you.